DIY beauty treatments, natural and effective skincare recipes. In our fast paced world, taking care of our skin often takes a backseat due to busy schedules and overwhelming beauty product options. But what if I told you that you could achieve glowing and radiant skin using simple, natural ingredients found in your kitchen? Welcome to the world of DIY beauty treatments, where you can pamper yourself with effective skincare recipes that are not only budget friendly but also free from harmful chemicals. In this blog, we will explore a plethora of natural and effective skincare remedies that will rejuvenate your skin and leave you feeling refreshed and revitalized. 8. The magic of honey. Nourishing face mask. A skincare enthusiast regularly used a DIY honey face mask to achieve a radiant complexion. I mixed raw honey with a teaspoon of turmeric powder and a few drops of rosehip oil to create a healing, brightening face mask. After applying it for 20 minutes, I noticed my skin feel deeply moisturized and looks noticeably rejuvenated. Though exfoliation delight. Coffee scrub. I love my weekend coffee rituals and now has found a way to incorporate coffee grounds into my beauty routine. I combine used coffee grounds with a tablespoon of olive oil to create a gentle exfoliating scrub. By massaging this coffee scrub onto her face and body, she notices her skin feels smoother and has a healthy glow, making her feel refreshed and energized. Teen Nature's Moisturizer. Aloe Vera Gel. My friend, who struggles with occasional skin irritation and dryness, keeps an aloe vera plant in his home for instant relief. Whenever he experiences redness or sunburn, he cuts open an aloe vera leaf to extract the gel and applies it directly to the affected area. The soothing and cooling properties of aloe vera help calm his skin and reduce inflammation. Char Zesty Refreshment. Lemon and Honey Toner. Natural skincare enthusiast created my DIY toner using lemon and honey. I mixed freshly squeezed lemon juice with organic honey to form a refreshing toner. Applying this mixture to my face with a cotton pad not only balances my skin's pH but also helps fade dark spots and improves the overall texture of my skin. 5. Superfood Face Mask. Avocado and Oatmeal. A health-conscious individual embraces the idea of using natural ingredients for my skincare. My blends ripe avocado with cooked oatmeal to make a nourishing face mask. Applying this mask once a week has made her skin softer, and the natural oils in avocado have helped in reducing her fine lines. 6. Bye Bye Dark Circles. Cucumber Eye Pads. A college student with a busy schedule often experiences tired eyes and dark circles. To combat this, he uses chilled cucumber slices as eye pads. Placing them on his closed eyes for a few minutes not only relaxes him but also reduces puffiness and leaves him looking more refreshed for his study sessions. 7. Floral Elixir. Rosewater Mist. I love the soothing scent of roses and enjoy incorporating rose water into my skincare routine. I boil rose petals in water, collect the condensed steam, and store it in a spray bottle. Spritzing this homemade rose water mist on my face throughout the day not only refreshed my skin but also uplifts my mood. 8. Acne Busting Treatment. Tea Tree All Spot Treatment. My friend who struggled with occasional breakout swear by a DIY tea tree oil spot treatment. He mixes a few drops of tea tree oil with a drop of jojoba oil and applies it directly to his acne spots. The antibacterial properties of tea tree oil help in reducing inflammation, and he notices a significant improvement in his skin's clarity over time. No Sunkissed Glow. Turmeric Face Mask. I want to brighten my complexion. Created a turmeric face mask by mixing turmeric powder with yogurt and honey. After using this mask twice a week for a month, I am delighted to see my skin tone becoming more even and her skin looking more radiant and glowing. Thus, calming bath soak, Epsom salt and lavender. My friend, a fitness enthusiast, often experiences sore muscles after intense workouts. To unwind and soothe his muscles, he enjoys a relaxing bath soak using Epsom salt and lavender oil. The combination of Epsom salt's detoxifying properties and the calming scent of lavender helps him relax and rejuvenates his body after a strenuous workout. Conclusion: these real life examples illustrate how DIY beauty treatments with natural ingredients can positively impact our skin and overall well being. Whether it's the magic of honey in a nourishing face mask or the refreshing cucumber eye pads, simplicity and effectiveness of these natural skincare remedies make them a valuable addition to anyone's beauty routine. Embrace the power of nature and enjoy the delightful journey of enhancing your skin's health with these DIY beauty treatments. Thank you for watching my channel and please like, share and comment and subscribe.